We hear a lot about the ORB breakout strategy, and while it's one of our favorites, we see many not using it to its full potential. Here is an example of using a complete opening range breakout strategy on the QQQ. Many use the first 15-minute range from open, which is fine for less aggressive traders. Some more aggressive try the 5-minute or 10, which also work well at times. But no matter the time frame, you want to first mark your pre-market opening range levels before the market actually opens. Let me show you. This yellow shaded area is all of pre-market. As we get closer to market open, you want to mark your pre-market high and low, then mark any level which acted as pre-market support and resistance as we do here. These other levels in red were entered months ago using one of our analysis techniques when finding key areas. As we notice, it worked out beautifully as a support level for this particular day. We teach you this technique as part of our program. The teal lines here represent another great strategy you should consider using, if you are not already, by simply marking the previous trading day's open and close price levels. But now that we drew our pre-market levels, you will have your complete pre-market range with your highs and lows in addition to key support and resistance levels, as we marked here in yellow. You will see throughout this particular trading day's price action, the algorithm respects all pre-market levels and range. And though the 15-minute opening range can work well at times, we should take into account that the algorithm has already been at work for 5.5 hours during all of pre-market. So it's always good to know the range in which the algorithm has already been working in. This is a more in-depth strategy than using only the first 15 minutes of the market open, but it's proven very effective, and we know the first and last 15 minutes of the market is when it's at its most volatile, so our in-depth strategy may prepare us for such volatility, which then can potentially give us the opportunity for better trades. Of course, each day is different, but for example, in this trading day of June 13th, if we were to use our 15-minute opening range strategy, you'll notice our range was very limited, making it a more difficult trade for the day if you were trading the 15-minute opening range. The reality is the algorithm's price behavior will be different each day, even though at times it may look similar. But this is when one of our technical edges of recognizing certain patterns come into play. Our best odds when attempting these type of trades is to spot these key patterns, respect key levels such as support, resistance, and trend lines, then monitor if the price action follows through while always keeping in mind proper risk management. We hope this helps, and remember to manage your sizing responsibly. Follow us if you'd like to hear more tips and information like this. Also, please give us a like if you enjoyed this video and share it with someone you'd think might also enjoy it. Thank you for watching.